Ka pai. Kia ora. Kaitiakitanga, guardianship. Mā te wā, ka whātu au I nei taonga kia koe. One day, the special gift will be given to you.
So, Nan taught me that everything was created was to bless the benefits of others. As a young child, I came to see Mahi Raranga as a way of working with others, as a common cause of health and wellness. She was fulfilling her role and responsibilities as a guardian. Through weaving, very serious and very strong, she felt about her as kaitiaki, a generation of knowledge. The maintenance and revitalisation of our Mahi Raranga was the main goal. The pāhara keke handed down from my nan, revitalised right around Manipato, Waikato. So both nannies used three main pāhara keke that they had. Was Taore was one, Kohunga and Ngatanui. Those were the most important harakeke plants that was used for all our mahi, which has been in our whānau for over 5 generations. We've had plants which had been planted at Tuhi Karamia in 1999, also at Te Wānau Aotearoa in 1999, same year, Hukanui in 2000, and so all these pāhara keke are mainly used for Maniapoto and Waikato whānau for whariki and ketikai. And the ketikai was used to actually have our kaimoana collection and our marakai. So which had one of the examples is here. So, can't see this side, yeah. So I have been weaving over 6 decades since the age of 8, and I owe this wonderful journey to my tupuna and my matriarch. My great Nanny Rangitaia and Nanny Hinekino. They both spent their entire lives sharing their knowledge, Mahi Raranga, through our people. I, like many of my generations, we now as mokoprina, reke, a term given to a child who is raised by tupuna. Through the through the stories, I could see how the wairua of Raranga enriches individuals, where weaving allows a sense of growing in a place and connection to Papatūānuku. Working with our nature resources allows the time to be able to reflect on life during preparations processes, bringing clarity through a feeling at peace, allowing us to strengthen our whānau, our communities as the strands of woven together.
Next slide, please. Kotahitanga unity.
Then taught others how to weave. It was very important to her that there was kotahitanga, to share the vision of why we're doing what we're doing, helps whānau to understand their roles and values of their work. She also made people feel important to their part of weaving project. She would talk about the use of benefits and the items that we're weaving so that the places where I began my journey, 70s through to today. Started in Maniapoto, in Tikawiri, in Otarahanga, through our PEP and work skills programs, and finally ending up in Waikato, and training, private training institutions, and with Te Wānau Aotearoa. Spent about 15 years there, and the most important thing for me is being able to do marae wānanga with whānau from each rohe. So like my land, I had 2 daughters, Te Aroha, Te Huia, and Tracy Brown, my daughter, and my mokopuna, weaving alongside me. So in some of in the images that you can see now, you'll see on the left-hand side, which is probably my right, is my 2 daughters and my moko. And so if you see the one in the middle, there's Tracy's at the top. She's 4 there. And the one down the bottom of her is her daughter. She's 2. And to your right, or my right, is Tarangi today is 12. So there's some of the kotautanga and kautakitanga and all the tangas that we're trying to establish with our whānau.
Next slide, please. Whanaungatanga, reciprocity.
Another aspect of Mahi Raranga that experience it with land and its whanaungatanga. It taught me that weaving is like a whole whānau and community effort. Each group have a part to play. Grandmothers, mothers, fathers, sons, daughters, children's, cousins, etc. could all weave together. So whanaungatanga is an intergenerational teaching and learning which drew people and families closer together. And his teaching styles were very natural. She knew all too well that Raranga required focus, patience, and the creative ability to weave. She would look at you with genuine interest and be supportive and understanding. She would be able to keep the whole group united. So if you see in the images that I have in front of you, is the journey that's happening at the moment is around safe sleep. So we're looking at a lot of wahakura wāngas and sharing this knowledge with the whānau and helping to save our babies.
Next slide, please. Mauri, the life force.
Like a finely woven whareki mat, the strength of key Māori values of wairuatanga, manakitanga, kaitiakitanga, kotahitanga, whanaungatanga has set the scene for my life with my tupuna. They live their lives by values on the home front, in their community involvement, and most certainly this was evident in their love and passion for Mahi Raranga, where this has led me to where I am today.
Yeah, I suppose we've been as proteges, as the mokopuna of our tupuna who has handed down this taonga, We have been so blessed to be able to share and carry on her legacy for many generations to come. I feel very strong that our whānau will continue this legacy through our tamariki, through their tamariki. To us, it's been a lifestyle. We live it, we breathe it every day.
I'll start.
And Mum's just going to keep weaving.
Just going to keep weaving now.
As we speak. It's just a humbling experience to be able to share the journey with whānau who we interact with, who our paths cross on a daily basis, and to keep the art form alive, to keep her legacy alive, and to be able to share on this forum, we're so grateful to share our Nan's legacy. It's for us, it's for each and every one of us. It's not just for us, it's for you too, all the whānau who are watching.
You can do this.
We can all do this, the taonga that has been given to all of us. And the resources is so plentiful here in Aotearoa. We just need to learn how to nurture our plants, how to look after our plants in order for them to continue to flourish. And that's the same with this taonga. We have to share what we know in order for it to continue.
We're here to teach.
We're here to teach. I love teaching. Mum loves teaching.
Love it.
Love it.
Love sharing. I think it's just because it's been handed down from our tupunas. When my nan realised that I was going to be sharing this with people around the motu, she cried, because it was just what her dream was, to be able to pass it down to me, to be able to pass it down. So I've been doing this for 70 years plus, since I was 8, something like that.
And I feel that with all the values that Mum has shared with you all today, and for those who are watching who know me, who know my āhua, I'm sure they continue on through me and through to my babies. So when we run wānanga with my babies, they tend to take over the wānanga. They're confident in what they do and how they teach raranga. And so it's about that, making sure that they are confident, they are equipped, because once we go, they're the next generation to continue on this legacy. So, yeah. And closing, next slide, please. It is our hope, whānau, that you'll be able to sense the depths of the many gifts our rurihi